are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Raul Markan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn new things about garlic. So we will learn about how to slice the garlic and how we use for a garnish in a 5-star hotel. So let's start.
We will cut all of these garlic edges nicely. You can see how I am cutting over here. So we will cut it nicely. So it's time to slice all the garlic which we cut before his edge. So we will slice all of them, and be careful with your fingers, okay, because it's very important. So it's time to slice all of them. So now you can see nicely slice of this garlic. So we will put this milk, because you knows that garlic getting too much strong. So for the makeup of this garlic strongness, so we will put this milk, and now we will shake it nicely. And now we will keep this garlic which we slice and which we put inside the milk. Then we will keep it for 24 hours inside the chiller. Now after 24 hours you can see, so we will remove this clean wrap and we will put inside the pot. See, so now we will put on the flame till one boil. After one boil we will remove it from flame. So one boil has been done, so we will remove this garlic from the pan. So now it's time to strain, and we will strain it nicely, and we will let it cool down couple of minutes. And it's time to fry. Our deep fryer is ready. So we will put the slice of garlic, not too much, slowly. Slowly we will put all this sliced garlic, and you can see the bubbles of this fire. You can see the color of golden color of this our garlic. And now we will put inside the container. I already put tissue paper on the bottom, so you can see the crunchiness of this garlic and with golden color. So you can see our garnish.